Hello everyone, welcome to English Fuel. Tell me, have you ever felt that strange pressure to push yourself harder and harder until your mind feels tired, your motivation fades, and even the things you once loved feel heavy? Maybe you have tried to learn a new skill or a new language, and instead of growing faster, you found yourself slowing down, feeling stuck, or giving up for a while. If you have ever experienced that, then today's story is for you. Let me take you into a quiet moment. Imagine a young woman sitting at her study table late at night. Her books are open, her notes are everywhere, and her heart is beating fast because she thinks she has to keep going, keep pushing, keep proving something. She believes that the only way to grow is to grind, to fight, to force herself through pain. This belief is something we hear everywhere today. In 2025, it feels as if the world is shouting one message at all of us: push harder, work longer, never slow down. But here is the truth she discovers, and the truth I want to share with you today. Real growth does not come from force. Real growth does not come from endless grit. Real growth comes from something much more gentle and much more powerful. She learns this lesson the day she burns out. Her mind feels empty. Her energy disappears. She cannot continue. She rests her forehead on her desk, and for the first time, she asks herself, is this really the way? And the surprising answer is no. Because the idea that harder always means better is an illusion. It is one of the biggest illusions of our modern world. Think about it for a moment. When we push too hard, our mind becomes tired. Our curiosity becomes weak. Our love for learning slowly disappears. Many people who try to learn a language experience this. They study for hours, filling their notebooks with rules and vocabulary, but after a few days or weeks, they feel drained, defeated, and disappointed. They believe they lack discipline, but in truth, they simply followed the wrong path. I learned this myself. I remember a time when I tried to learn a new language with full intensity. Every day, I pushed myself like a machine. I forced long study sessions, repeated complex sentences again and again, and tried to memorize long lists of words. Instead of growing, I grew frustrated. I felt as if I was climbing a mountain with no rest. One day, I closed my book, sighed, and thought, maybe I cannot do this. But the problem was not my ability. The problem was the way I was treating myself. And this is when something beautiful changed. I discovered the gentle art of steady, sustainable growth. I discovered microlearning. Microlearning is simple. It means learning a little bit every day. Small steps. Soft steps. Steps that are so gentle that they do not drain you. Steps that slowly build into something powerful. It is like planting tiny seeds instead of trying to grow a full tree in one night. Each small effort, repeated every day, becomes a forest inside your mind. A few minutes of listening. A short practice session. A small moment of shadowing, where you repeat what you hear. Shadowing is magic for language learners, because it helps your tongue, your ears, and your brain learn the rhythm of English naturally. These tiny actions do more than hours of forced study. Science shows something beautiful. Our brain loves repetition, not pressure. When we learn gently, our brain forms new pathways without fear. When we repeat small things with ease, our mind rewires itself with stability. This is why gentle consistency is so powerful. It builds strength without breaking your spirit. But there is something even more important than consistency. It is the fire inside you. Intrinsic motivation. The motivation that comes from your heart, not from society, not from pressure, not from competition. It is the kind of motivation that wakes you up with curiosity, not fear. It is the motivation that says, I want to learn because I love the process. I want to grow because growth feels good. When we shift from external pressure to inner inspiration, something magical happens. We enjoy the journey. We stay longer. We grow deeper. So how do we find this inner motivation? Sometimes it begins with a simple question. What part of this process gives me joy? Maybe it is listening to a story in English. Maybe it is repeating sentences and feeling your voice grow more confident. Maybe it is the excitement you feel when you understand a new phrase. When we give power to these small joys, they become our fuel. A fuel that never burns out. But growth does not happen in a straight line. There will be days when you feel slow. Days when you forget what you learned. Days when you feel tired. This is where mindful practice comes in. Mindfulness means observing yourself without judgment. It means allowing your progress to be imperfect. It means listening to your mind and body and adjusting your path gently. Imagine again that young woman at her study table. She has learned to close her books when she is tired, not because she is weak, but because she is wise. She has learned to breathe when she feels overwhelmed. She has learned to speak kindly to herself when she makes mistakes. She has learned that self-compassion is not softness, but strength. And slowly, she becomes resilient. Not because she forces herself to be strong, but because she nurtures her strength. Every gentle, consistent practice shapes her mind. Every moment of joy fuels her motivation. Every mindful pause protects her energy. This is the kind of resilience I want for you. The kind that grows from within. The kind that adapts, recovers, and continues. The kind that makes learning a lifelong journey, not a stressful race. Because when we bring together gentle consistency, intrinsic motivation, and mindful self-compassion, something extraordinary happens. We become adaptable. We become steady. We become lifelong learners. So today, I want to invite you to try one gentle step. Just one. Maybe listen to English for 5 minutes. Maybe practice shadowing one small sentence. Maybe smile at your own progress. Whatever it is, let it be small, let it be gentle, and let it come from your heart. Let it mark the beginning of a new chapter in your life. A chapter where growth feels natural, sustainable, and joyful. And before we end, I want to tell you this one thing clearly. You do not need to fight your way to success. You can grow with softness. You can learn with grace. You can rise with calm strength. Your transformation can be gentle and still be powerful. If this message touched you, if it made you think differently about your journey, then please subscribe to English Fuel, like this video, share it with someone who may need a little gentle encouragement, and comment below about one small step you will take today. Thank you for being here with me. Take a deep breath. Move gently. Grow consistently. And let your journey unfold with kindness.